Repeat after me. Bonjour. This means hello. Okay, bonjour. Aujourd'hui, let me do this so that you can see what we're reading. Aujourd'hui, it means today. Aujourd'hui, picture yourself today. Aujourd'hui, je vais parler de mon souper. When I do this, it's because it's your turn. Okay. Je vais parler de mon souper. It means I will speak to y'all about my dinner. Je vais vous parler de mon souper. So let's deconstruct it. Je vais. I will. Vous. Now it's like y'all. Or maybe somebody in a, it's the formal version. Je vais vous parler when you're speaking to a group, or je vais vous parler. Parler is to speak of my dinner. I will speak to you of my dinner. Notice it's like flipped from the English. It's like saying, I will y'all speak of my dinner. So, this is how it is. Je vais vous parler de mon souper. Quand j'étais au Japon, when I was in Japan, you see, this is the I contracted version. When I was in Japan, j'ai découvert le tantanmen. J'ai découvert le tantanmen. So, j'ai découvert mean I've discovered the tantanmen. J'ai découvert. C'est un type de ramen, or lamen. C'est un type de lamen. It's a type of lamen. In Japan, they say lamen and not ramen. In Quebec, we say ramen. Et c'est devenu. And it became. Devenir. It's to become. It has became. This is it. Okay? This is a it form of it. C'est is being. So it became. Mon repas préféré. My favorite meal. Mon repas préféré. J'aimais aussi aller au restaurant. I loved also going to the restaurant. Okay, I also loved going to the restaurant. J'aimais aussi aller au restaurant. Parce que ce n'était pas cher. Because it was really not expensive. Sorry, I think I didn't say that. Parce que ce n'était vraiment pas cher. Parce que ce n'était vraiment pas cher. Okay, parce que is the because. Ce n'était, it was not. Well, it was not because of the pie. Because it was really not expensive. Really not expensive. By the way, I have all the flashcards. After that, we'll do some flashcards. At the end of the video, we'll go through the flashcards so that you can review all these sentences in a random order and see if you remember the English version. Since it's fresh, you should have a good retention. And then after that, you can go download the flashcard, québecfrench.ca, and keep really memorizing for real long term. Souvent, often, souvent, je commandais un grand bol de tantanmen. Je commandais, I was ordering un grand bol ou un gros bol. Sometimes we say un gros bol. It's like a big bowl of tantanmen avec un bol de riz. With a bowl of rice. Avec un bol de riz. Après le repas, after the meal, après le repas, j'étais toujours très plein. J'étais toujours très plein. Oh! I was always really full. Okay? Imagine yourself like big belly. J'étais toujours très plein. Plein mean full. Très mean really. Toujours mean always. And j'étais was I was always really full. By the way, what we're doing is called a shadowing sandwich. Okay? So I came up with this. I say something and then you shadow it. And then after that, I will explain in English. And then I will reread it again. And then you will copy me one more time. So it's like, that's why it's like a sandwich. My invention. I'm kidding. It came from Chica, my girlfriend. She's the best. So, le tout coûtait environ $7 canadiens. Le tout coûtait environ $7 canadiens. So it's the everything was costing pretty much $7 Canadian. Okay. Le tout coûtait environ $7 canadiens. Aujourd'hui, we saw it at the beginning. I mean, again, aujourd'hui, le repas que je préfère cuisiner, the meal that I prefer to cook, cuisiner, cook, in a cuisine, in the kitchen, le repas, the meal that I prefer to cook, le repas que je préfère cuisiner est très simple. Est très simple. It's really simple. It's really simple. Est très simple. Je fais du riz. Je fais du riz. So, I am making some rice. I make some rice. Je fais du riz. Des légumes à la vapeur. Some veggies cooked with vapor, like steaming. Okay. Des légumes à la vapeur. Some steamed veggies. Vegetable. Et du saumon. And some salmon. Du is some. J'aime ce repas. I love this meal. J'aime ce repas. Parce qu'il est délicieux. Parce because, il est délicieux. It is delicious. You see it, there's different it, there's the C apostrophe we see before, it became, like here. Il is also it sometime. So, keep that in mind. Il est délicieux. J'aime ce repas. I could have also said, j'aime ce repas parce que c'est très délicieux. Because it is really delicious. So, both are good. Et bon pour la santé. And good for health. Et bon pour la santé. Santé! Schling! Le saumon contient des oméga 3. The salmon contain some omega 3. Let me read it one more time. Le saumon contient des oméga 3. Et j'essaie toujours de manger beaucoup de légumes. And I try always to eat et j'essaie toujours de manger beaucoup de légumes. Beaucoup de légumes. Lots of vegetables. Beaucoup de légumes. Chez moi, it's at my place. Chez moi. Chez toi is at your place. Je mange souvent devant la télévision. Je mange souvent devant la télévision. I eat often devant la télévision. In front of the television. Je mange souvent devant la télévision. J'habite avec mon père. J'habite avec mon père. I live with my father. It's not true anymore. Look at this. It's my new apartment. I wrote this 30 days ago when I did my presentation. So it's not true anymore. I have to revise that. J'habite avec mon père, mon grand-père, my grandfather, mon grand-père, et ma copine. And my girlfriend, or I'll say partner, et ma copine. Next page, which is last page. Yeah. Nous n'avons pas vraiment de table pour manger. Nous n'avons pas vraiment de table pour manger. So, we don't really have. The really is vraiment. We don't really have a table for eating. Now I have. So, nous n'avons pas vraiment de table pour manger. By the way, the pas is really important. A lot of people coming from English, they will do nous n'avons, and because of the N apostrophe, they think that they said it. It's negative sentence now. But when we speak, we actually don't say that. We say nous avons pas vraiment, ou on n'a pas vraiment de table pour manger. So the pas is the important part. You can never miss the pas. The pas mess everything up. So never forget this if you're in negative sentence. Nous n'avons pas vraiment de table pour manger. Alors, nous mangeons souvent dans notre chambre. Alors, nous mangeons souvent means so. We often eat. We saw this word often quite often. Alors, nous mangeons souvent dans notre chambre. In our room, bedroom, in our bedroom. We had a table in the bedroom. Okay, souvent dans notre chambre. En ce moment, which is at this moment, en ce moment, nous regardons souvent. So we often watch. Regardons is to look, to watch. Nous regardons souvent les émissions de Gordon Ramsay. Les émissions. So, émissions de TV shows. Une émission de télé is a TV show. Les émissions de Gordon Ramsay. J'aime voir comment il aide les restaurants en difficulté. Okay, maybe it's too big. J'aime voir comment il aide, which I love to see how he helps. J'aime voir comment il aide. Important word here, comment, how. Les restaurants en difficulté. The restaurant in difficulty. The failing restaurant. Les restaurants en difficulté. Nous regardons aussi The Office. Nous regardons aussi Okay. We also look. Nous regardons aussi The Office parce que c'est une série très drôle. Parce que c'est une série très drôle. Because it's a TV show, series, it's a series, really funny. Parce que c'est une série très drôle. Quand j'étais jeune, when I was young, quand j'étais jeune, mon père faisait souvent de la poutine maison. Mon père faisait souvent, okay, my father was often making de la poutine maison. Some maison mean house, but it's like a homemade poutine. My father was often making some like how do you say that in English? I don't know. House-made poutine. Man-made poutine. No, it's always man-made. I don't know. But you get it, I'm sure. Mon père faisait souvent de la poutine maison. Il achetait du vrai fromage en grains. Il achetait du vrai fromage en grains. So he was buying in the past here ici. Et il achetait du vrai fromage, some real cheese, en grains. In like grain, it's like a chunk of cheese. And it does really good cheese. Il achetait du fromage en grains. Et sa poutine était excellente. And sa poutine is and its poutine was excellent. Really good. Excellent. And his poutine was excellent. Et sa poutine était excellente. Excellente. Ma mère cuisinait beaucoup de choses différentes. Ma mère cuisinait. My mom was cooking. You see, again, in the was cooking. In the past, ma mère cuisinait. My mom was cooking beaucoup de choses différentes. A lot of different things. Different thing. Chose is thing, different of course. So the whole thing. Ma mère cuisinait beaucoup de choses différentes. Mais le repas, but the meal, mais le repas, mais is an important word, but the meal, which that I remember the most. Ok, le repas dont je me souviens le plus, will be that I remember the most, et sa lasagne. Is the lasagna. Ok. Mais le repas dont je me souviens le plus est sa lasagne. Elle était vraiment délicieuse. Sorry, I don't know if I went too fast. Elle était vraiment délicieuse. It was really delicious. Or, you see, une lasagne. Lasagne is feminine. That's why we're using elle. I could have also used c'était vraiment délicieuse, like I said. C apostrophe is also it. But we use elle now. Pour terminer, to conclude, to finish. Pour terminer, j'aime manger assez tôt. J'aime manger assez tôt. I love to eat pretty early. Assez tôt is like, oh, tu arrives assez tôt. Oh, you arrive pretty early. Pretty early. J'aime manger assez tôt. Vers 5 heures. around 5 o'clock. OK? Vers 5 heures. Around 5 hours. Je n'aime pas manger tard. Je n'aime pas manger tard. See here, we don't pronounce the D. Tard. Tard. Je n'aime pas. The important pas. Because if I read it, if I'm just speaking like super fast, j'aime pas manger tard. J'aime pas manger tard. Je n'aime pas manger tard. I don't like to eat late. I mean late. I don't like or love. I don't like or love to eat late. Parce que je dors moins bien. Parce que je dors moins bien. You remember the parce que. It's because. Je dors, I sleep. You see, we don't pronounce the S there. Je dors. We don't pronounce S at the end of word. Here, moins. Don't pronounce that. Parce que je dors moins bien. Because I sleep less good. Parce que je dors moins bien. Après un gros repas. Après un gros repas. After a big meal. Après un gros repas. Voilà, c'est tout pour moi. OK. There it is. It's all for me. Voilà, c'est tout pour moi. Est-ce que vous avez des questions? Est-ce que... Do you? Est-ce que vous, do you, avez des questions? Have any question? Est-ce que vous avez des questions? Ou des commentaires? Or some comments? Or some comments? Ou des commentaires? If you have any comments, leave them down below in the comment section. I'll look at them. I'll respond. And let's do some of the flashcard now that I prepared for now. Where are they? Here. Après un gros repas. Okay, I guess maybe you don't hear them. I don't know if you hear them or not. But it said, après un gros repas. What does that mean? After a big meal. Boom. Is it easy or is it again? I think you got it. Est-ce que vous avez des questions? Oh, we just saw that. Est-ce que vous avez des questions? Do you have any question? Okay, easy. C'est devenu mon repas préféré. What was devenu again? Do you remember that? It became my favorite meal. Okay, I don't know. Maybe it was it hard? I'll put hard. J'habite avec mon père. I live with my father. If you got it right. Easy. J'aime ce repas. I think you know this one. J'aime ce repas. I like this meal or I love this meal. Like I think both are good. If you said love, you got a thumbs up, okay? Look, I'll even edit it. I like love. Here you go. Easy. It's saumon. And some salmon. Oh, and salmon. Some salmon is also good. Do you have comments? J'aimais aussi aller au restaurant. Okay, j'aimais aussi aller au restaurant. What verb? What time of verb? Is it the past? Is it the future? What is it? Yeah, you know it. There's a eh, so it's past. J'aimais aussi aller au restaurant. I also love to go to this restaurant. It's not too important, okay, the perfect translation of this English sentence. The going. But, sorry. What's important is that the idea is there. The idea. So if you got something that's similar to that, it's easy, you got it. But if it does change the meaning, I want you to click again, okay? Or hard. No, actually, again. Hard, good, and easy is only if you got it right, okay? It's if you got it right, but you had to think about it quite a lot. So. Le repas que je préfère cuisiner est très simple. Le repas que je préfère cuisiner est très simple. The meal that I prefer to cook is really simple. You got it.
C'était vraiment pas cher.
Okay, I recorded 2 audio
C'était vraiment pas cher.
because I said it. Ce n'était vraiment pas cher and c'était vraiment pas cher. So you have 2 versions here, the Quebec version and the normal version. C'était vraiment pas cher. It was really not expensive.
On regarde souvent les émissions de Gordon Ramsay.
On regarde souvent les émissions de Gordon Ramsay. Okay, what is that? We often watch the TV shows of Gordon Ramsay
Parce qu'il est délicieux.
because it's delicious. Parce qu'il est délicieux.
J'essaie toujours de manger beaucoup de légumes.
J'essaie toujours de manger beaucoup de légumes. J'essaie toujours, I always try to eat a lot of veggies.
Avec un bol de riz.
Avec un bol de riz. With a bowl of rice. Bowl. Alors, so, are you gonna join Quebec French School or what are you waiting? Join the party.
Comment y aident les restaurants en difficulté?
Comment il aide les restaurants en difficulté? I think we're speaking about Gordon Ramsay there. Can you figure it out? How he helps the restaurant in difficulty. How he helps struggling restaurant.
Et bon pour la santé.
Et bon pour la santé. Qu'est-ce que tu manges est bon pour la santé? Does what you eat is good for health? And healthy and good for health? Yeah, and healthy or good for health. You know, it means the same thing. Easy.
J'aime manger assez tôt.
J'aime manger assez tôt. I love to eat pretty early. Fairly early, they said, but don't worry about that type of stuff, like I said. Okay, we're not trying to learn English here, learning French.
Aujourd'hui, je vais vous parler de mon souper.
Aujourd'hui, je vais vous parler de mon souper. Today, I will speak to y'all of my dinner. Ici,
Nous mangeons souvent dans notre chambre.
nous mangeons souvent dans notre chambre. We often eat in our room. Nous mangeons souvent dans notre chambre. Congratulations, we have finished this deck, but that was only 20 cards. There is way more than 20 cards in this deck. We can look at it here. If I browse, there is actually 53 cards. So tomorrow there's gonna be 20 cards that unlocked. So tomorrow is gonna be 20 card extra plus review of the card that you didn't get right. Okay, if you get the flash card available at quebecfrench.ca, a really good way to support me and help me create more stuff like that, to create the perfect optimized way to reach fluency in speaking Quebec French. Okay, that's what I'm working on, and you can help me. Please help. So this was it for today. 28-minute video. That's a good training. Okay, do that every day. Every day is the secret. All my students in my teaching career, okay, the student that has improved the most are students that work on it every single day. Okay, there's if you work only once a week, even if you take like a lot of time in that once a week, it's never gonna beat somebody that does a little bit of structured practice every day. So this is what I'm trying to provide you with. I'm doing one a day now, and I wish I could do even more just to eventually be done doing all these videos. But I have about 40 coming similar to this. And then after that is the next step is the real presentation, because this is based on the real presentation. I am speaking just naturally that I'm going to actually redo. And that's going to be the next step, the real speed, like harder stuff. But for now, leave a comment, click like, please. And you're the best. Okay. Peace.